What's up guys, my name is Phil, welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's brief video, we're going to be doing the second maintenance wash on this Chevy Colorado. It is beautiful and sunny out and warm. It's already around 70 degrees, so let's get started. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. So for the initial rinse, we can see that the ceramic coating is holding strong. For the shampoo, we opted to use the Wolfgang Uber SiO2 coating wash. I decided to try out this shampoo. I wasn't disappointed. It was very slick and it cleaned well. However, it wasn't that much of a foaming shampoo, but it certainly did the job. And as you can see, we're washing with a plush wash mitt, and the coating is resisting the shampoo. Washing a ceramic coated vehicle is a pleasure. Nothing sticks to the paint, it's slick, and it cleans up easily. The paint, the textured black plastic, and the wheels are coated. So as you can see, with the final rinse, the coating is restored to perfection, with extreme beading. If you wanted to sheet the water off, you can simply use a garden hose and do that. The product that we're using the IK foamer is Gtechniq Green Star, diluted 10:1. It's perfect for cleaning up these coated wheels and even dirty tires. If you want to boost the cleaning ability, simply dilute it 4:1. Again, we're using Gtechniq C2V3 ceramic spray to maintain the coating. Now we move on into the interior for a quick cleaning. We're using Gtechniq Leather Star to gently clean and add UV protection to the interior leather and plastics. Here's a tip. I have found that using a damp towel to apply the Gtechniq Leather Star to all the surfaces makes for easier application. So guys, we're back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in any of those products, the coatings, the maintenance products, check out the links down below and you can pick them up for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week. Take care.